Hello everyone, welcome back to our Excel tutorial series. In today's video, we're going to learn how to use the COUNTIFS function to efficiently count products with low stock in a specific category. Let's dive right into it. Here, we have a sample table containing product data. We have columns for product, category, and stock level. Now, let's say we want to count the number of products with a stock level less than 20 in the office supplies category. To do this, we'll use the COUNTIFS function. The COUNTIFS function allows us to specify multiple criteria. In this formula, we're counting the number of rows where the category column contains office supplies and the stock level column is less than 20. Now, let's apply this formula to our sample data. Type the formula. Type equal to. Type. Count. If S, bracket open. Select. Category range. Type comma. Inverted comma start. Type. Office. Supplies. Inverted comma close. Type comma. Select stock level range. Type comma. Inverted comma start. Less. Then sign. Type. 20, inverted comma close. Bracket close. Press enter key, and there you have it. The COUNTIFS function has efficiently counted the products with low stock in the office supplies category. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Excel tutorials. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.